welcome to 5 Minutes, your fast track to smarter insurance technology and stronger leadership. In the next 5 minutes, we're going to show you a better way to lead, scale, and innovate without the chaos. Let's get into it. You talked about using large language models to scrape municipal data for permits, et cetera. What other ways is AI working its way into your product, internally or customer facing or otherwise?
I think traditionally the big way with us is in analyzing imagery. So we work with all the main imagery providers in the United States. So our models, an interesting aspect of them is they're designed to work with different image sources. So we don't rely on one single provider. So the AI comes into context when our models are looking at an image, looking at the pixels provided by an image. They're able to say, oh, that's a house, that's a tree, that's a driveway. And then we've built risk models on top of that with the insurance data to very affordably be able to assess all these different variables about the risk of whatever peril we're looking at, like non-weather water, and put that together into one story that actually shows the risk of the house. So not the LLM doing scraping of permit data, great use of AI, but it also involves having the machine learning capabilities to be able to look at an image and know what's there without immediate human intervention.
Got it. Has some of the kind of developments in the AI landscape over, let's call it the past 2 years, because backstory, AI has been around for a lot longer than people realize. It's just only really come into the public sphere recently because of ChatGPT. But given the development that has happened in the ecosystem, is that accelerating your product development? Are you seeing that rapid shift, just call it past 2 years, or you guys have been here already for a while?
We've been working with AI tools for a very long time. I think within the company, using large language models that are available out there makes product development easier because we can analyze a whole lot more documentation that's out there about all of this stuff and come to conclusions quicker. So it's definitely making us in our work, we are an AI company, so we very much encourage using tools as appropriate, these kind of external tools, but it definitely helps organize our thoughts and develop products better, I think. And there really is a lot in the future of being able to use AI tools to be able to analyze the massive amount of documents that are out there. If you think of all the company filings that are out there, millions and millions of pages of filings, which have a lot of great information in them, very difficult to put all that information together into something that can be used. There's definitely a lot of opportunity out there to be doing work like that.
The data consumption power of AI is just it's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. What would you say are some of the biggest barriers that your customers face when they're contemplating technology or even just data sets, the consumption of data that you guys provide? What do you see as some of the barriers at the carrier side?
I think some big ones are the first regulatory. Is this something that we're going to be allowed to use? Is it something we're allowed to use now? Is it something we're confident that we'll be allowed to use in the future? But also there's just operational concerns. So is your data actually reliable? Is it something that we're going to be able to operationalize consistently across our company? Because one of the main values that we bring is efficiency to this whole process. So you don't have to look at all of the pictures of the houses that you insure. We're kind of identifying the ones that maybe an underwriter wants to look at. We're giving you all the scores in order to do the rates automatically. So that needs to be able to be done consistently across the whole organization. So one thing we definitely try to do is anticipate kind of issues that can arise with our customers to put them at ease that they're going to actually be able to use this product. So, for instance, the image might be wrong in a sense. Like we might be looking at an image that's 3 months old, and our model says it has a metal roof, has an asphalt shingle roof, when in fact the insured maybe 1 month ago replaced the roof with a metal roof. Our customer has to be able to take that into account if they can, confirm that the roof is actually metal. So we have processes in place in order to make adaptions like that with our models. So the carrier can say, this is a metal roof now, and we can actually produce an updated risk score that gives them accurate information that will ultimately be available when the image gets updated again. But so we're able to deal with these kind of flexibility issues that might arise with our customers.
Thank you for joining this episode of 5 Minutes. If you've enjoyed our discussion, we'd love for you to share it with anyone else you think might find it interesting. Also, please subscribe on whatever podcast platform you're listening on and hit that bell to stay on top of the game with our practical 5-minute episodes. We look forward to seeing you again next week.